Welcome to Shelf Tech channel. Today, we will explore interesting and exciting content together. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss the latest videos from us. In the modern world where survival tools are not just a means but a source of inspiration and confidence in every situation. The Zune Lotoo Smilodon, with its flexible design and high-quality materials, is not just an ordinary camping tool but also a versatile companion for all your adventures. From digging holes and food preparation to opening bottles, the Smilodon meets all your needs. Created to withstand any conditions, the Zune Lotoo Smilodon is an excellent combination of strength and utility, elevating your adventure experience to new heights. The Settler's Wrench is a versatile companion for outdoor adventures. With its adjustable flexibility, it acts as the superhero of survival, aiding in tent construction, creating technical masterpieces, and even making repairs in the toughest conditions. The Settler's Wrench not only saves effort but also brings flexibility and sustainability. In the harsh outdoor world, this wrench becomes a reliable companion, empowering you to face the challenges of outdoor life with confidence and strength. In the age of modern technology, GPS not only helps give directions, but also opens up the world, making the journey more meaningful. GoFindMe is not just a tracking device, it is an indispensable companion in every adventure. With its real-time tracking capability, GoFindMe becomes an essential tool, ensuring safety and maintaining communication in any situation. In crucial moments, it acts as a guiding light, optimizing your outdoor experience by helping you focus on exploration without worrying about getting lost. GoFindMe is more than a device, it is a reliable companion, aiding you in overcoming every challenge. In a world full of challenges and risks, owning an anti-theft device is an important step to protect safety when surviving. The AirSaber Elite X2 is not only a powerful weapon in hunting, but also an unparalleled source of strength that empowers you to confidently face any survival challenge. With the ability to shoot at speeds of up to 450 feet per second, it becomes a formidable tool, ensuring your safety, facilitating hunting, and maintaining control of the surrounding environment. The AirSaber Elite X2 is more than just a tool. It is a reliable companion, providing assurance and efficiency in every survival mission. An indispensable choice for brave explorers of the outdoor world. Using a protected device is not only a precaution, but also the first way to create a strong layer of protection, helping us live every moment with confidence and security. The Venom Gaiter V2 is a unique companion for every adventure. Designed to confront insects and reptiles, it becomes a robust shield, protecting your face and neck with maximum comfort. With waterproof and UV-resistant materials, the Venom Gaiter V2 is not only a safety measure but also a style icon, helping you stand out in any situation. Providing flexibility and protection for your adventures. QUIKCORD, a new level of versatile cordage. The unique and flexible design of QUIKCORD enables you to quickly and easily perform essential tasks to sustain life in challenging environments. The waterproof and corrosion-resistant nature of QUIKCORD's cordage makes it an invaluable support in building camps, setting up bivouacs, or crafting survival tools. With QUIKCORD, you not only have a versatile cord, but also an extremely reliable companion when facing the challenges of nature. CellVault battery storage is a valuable companion when you need to maintain energy in harsh environments. With the ability to protect batteries from the impact of weather and the environment, CellVault ensures that your power source is always ready. It's not just a secure place to store batteries, but can also accommodate other essential items such as medications or small tools. CellVault is a convenient and reliable solution for adventure enthusiasts preparing for any emergency situation. The BRS-99 camping stove is the perfect choice for any outdoor adventure. With its lightweight and compact design, it is an ideal companion in your survival kit. Designed to withstand all weather conditions, the BRS-99 quickly and efficiently converts fuel into powerful heat for boiling water, cooking, or keeping warm. Made from high-quality materials, it ensures durability and safety, making it a reliable partner when facing the challenges of nature. Securing your space becomes simpler with the Fith Ops perimeter trip alarm and 22 adapter. Perfect for use in survival environments. This special design not only makes it easy to detect intrusions, but also establishes a tight security system for your space. Compatibility with 22 caliber ammunition provides flexibility and maximum performance in maintaining security. With Fith Ops, you not only have a protection system, but also a powerful tool in every emergency situation. The automatic folding fish trap is a perfect tool for fishing enthusiasts and survivalists. With its automatic folding design, it not only saves space and is easy to transport, but also creates an effective trap for catching fish in any conditions. This multitasking tool helps you procure food in natural environments with minimal effort. The automatic folding fish trap is the top choice for enhancing your survival skills in the wilderness. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video. Please leave your comments and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next interesting content. See you in the next videos.